Hey guys! Okay, so I am finally gonna show you guys the Chanel shoes that I got. If you don't know the story of this, I will let you know. Okay, so I was given a gift card for Christmas, or no, sorry. Oh my gosh. I was given a pair of shoes from Louis Vuitton for Christmas. They didn't fit, so I took them back to the store wanting to exchange. They didn't have those shoes available. They didn't have my size, so they gave me a gift card to Holt Renfrew, which is the department store that Louis Vuitton is in. And then me being impulsive and not wanting to wait for shoes, I went upstairs to Chanel, which is in Holt Renfrew. And I came across these pink shoes. They hardly had any shoes. Like, this is the whole thing. And this is why it is almost April and I just got my shoes. Um, Okay, so it's like I was just hell bent on getting a pair of shoes that day. I didn't really care. I just like wanted to get shoes and get home. But I did really fall in love with these pink shoes from Chanel, and I brought them home. I tried them on with a few outfits. They didn't like they were super cute, but they just felt so pink. And I really felt like anything I wear, like your eyes are gonna go right to my feet. And for the amount of money these shoes cost, I really felt like I need to get something that's a little bit more wearable. So I ended up taking them back and wanting to exchange. With Chanel, though, you are stuck with Chanel. Once you buy something, you don't get a refund, or you don't get a Holt Renfrew gift card back. You only get the Chanel store gift card. So now I'm just like stuck at Chanel, right? But the frustrating thing with Chanel and why it's taking so long, they never have sizes. They never have anything. Like, it's so annoying. Basically, everything goes out to their clientele, their regular clientele when it comes in. And basically, if you are a nobody, like, good luck finding things you want. That's how it works. And so, okay, so they didn't have my size. And then I did get in contact with an essay. She was nice and she did message me, but in the end, she didn't end up helping me. And she said she was going to get this other guy from the shoe department to help me, and he didn't. Oh my gosh, this is turning into a long story. And then so I went back a few times. By the way, I live in an area that's outside of Vancouver. So it's an hour drive to the city. And then I have to pay for parking. And the parking at that mall is so freaking expensive. So yes, long story short, I went there 3 times looking for shoes. They never had availability. They had like hardly any selection. They never had my size. And then the last time I went, I met this amazing essay named Cece. So if you are in Vancouver and you want a nice essay at Holt Renfrew, I don't know all of the days she works, but I think it was a weekday in the middle of the day. So I have a feeling that's kind of her shift, is like weekdays, daytime in the shoe department, like the shoe little Chanel store thing there. And yeah, she was so nice. Okay, so I came across these shoes. These are the shoes I got, and they had them in the dark coral, like a coral red color, which was actually my number one choice. I'm not really sure why she couldn't get those ones in. I can't remember. But she did have, they also had these ones she showed me, but they didn't have my size that day. But she said, I can get these in by Tuesday if you would like these ones. And so I was so done with the whole Chanel thing. Like, ideally, I would have loved the red ones, or they have a dark green. I really would have liked the dark green. Like, I like brighter colors, to be honest. I'm not actually too much of like a pastel person. But I was satisfied because like these are really nice shoes and I do like them, and I really just wanted to be done. So I said, okay. And then so I went home that day. She messaged me a few days later. She said, I have your shoes. Like, you can come down and get them. And so I did. And yes, I'm just like so happy to have this done with. And the reason I wanted to make this video was because I'm actually going out and I'm going to wear these shoes. So I was like, okay, I'll just like show these before I wear them, because maybe that's weird if I show you guys my shoes after. I don't know. But yeah, this is them. They are very simple, actually. They just have like the CC right here, and that is that. And so I got a size 38.5, which is a half size bigger than normal for me. So if you are interested in these shoes, definitely go half size up. This is like all it said. It literally doesn't say anything. So, it just said tennis on the receipt, and it says, Rose Blanc / Rose. They aren't actually white though. This is like a gray. You can tell the difference. This is white and that's gray. But yes, finally the journey with Chanel and getting my shoes is done. Like, unless you are like a really good client and they order you in stuff, it's so hard to get shoes there. Oh my gosh. And unless you have like a weird size, maybe if you have a really small foot or a large foot, it will be fine. But if you have like the average, 38 and a half, have fun. It's like, it is so frustrating trying to get shoes there. And yeah, and then at the same time, like, the prices are going up. So when I initially got the pink shoes, even though they were the same price initially, and then I returned them, got the gift card, and then when I got these, I actually owed like $100 and something more just because of the price increase. So it's like, if you have a gift certificate for Chanel, you really just need to go there and use your gift certificate, unless you don't mind like having to pitch in more money. But yeah, okay, I don't look good today, and the reason why I have no makeup on because it's sunny outside and I really want to get outside before the sun goes away. I also got my car detailed yesterday, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and so like my car is so nice and shiny, and I haven't driven it yet, and like the rain is coming, which gives me anxiety, and it makes me feel like, oh my gosh, like I need to go drive my car. I also wanted to show you guys quickly what I got from Sergio Bustamante on my Puerto Vallarta trip, because I kept saying I was going to show you guys and I just didn't. So I got this ring, this hand ring, and what's really cool about it too is the detailing. Like, if you look inside, can you see the actual wrinkles on the hand? It's so detailed and really cute. I love it. I think it's really neat. And then I also got these earrings. They came in this little pouch. Everything also came in a really nice box with a ribbon. So yeah, I got these sun earrings just like this. They have, why isn't it like focusing? There we go. Silver, and then the outside is gold filled. So yeah, they are like that big. I think I'll wear them today. I'm a little disappointed though, to be honest, because the backing is really small. Do you guys see that? And it goes on really tight, and when you go to take them off, it's actually really hard to get your nail in there and pull the earring out. I was having a really hard time one night. I felt like they were going to be stuck on me forever. I'm willing to try it again, so I will wear them today, I think. Yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to tell you guys the story of my shoes before I wore them, in case you were wondering. This style is very popular on Instagram. Maybe you've seen it, like if you follow fashion accounts, but definitely in that darker red, or like the dark green. There is supposed to be a, what do you call it? Like a sage kind of green, I think, coming in, like a minty sage green. So a light green version. And then they also have a blue version. I could have got the blue version, but the reason I didn't want the blue, I don't know why the blue is this way, but the blue version, see how this part's contrasting? On the blue, this part is literally the same color. So it's like, I don't know, I feel like it looks weird. This one is almost like you can't really see the contrast, but the blue was very blended in, and yeah, it just didn't look right. Something looked off about it. So yeah, that's that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.